Funnel X ROI. Hey, Money Mike here. I'm just here to go over some details in like the Funnel X ROI review. Basically, it's the same system as Funnel X Project, but it's a little bit different. It has the same videos that show you how to do it, how to set it up, how to actually just implement, basically copy, paste your links that will customize your Funnel X system into the funnel. And it's basically automated so that you actually make money using the funnel itself instead of you trying to market, recruit, get people involved. It's totally automatic pilot. In other words, this funnel is designed to send you money through the sales from the traffic providers that are actually included in the funnel to help you build your system and make money on automatic pilot. It's simple, it's easy, it's just like that. Also included in this Funnel X ROI is Funnel X Advanced. Now, not to throw you off, it's in the same funnel, but it's a lead generator to help market Funnel ROI. So you're always making money. You're going to get 50% commissions no matter who you send to this funnel, to always be making money, and grab yourself a nice list all included in this funnel without, again, you doing none of the work. You don't have to set up any messages. They're basically done for you in this system. Why did I do this system? Because I needed something fast, simple. When I was broke, I needed money quickly. This helped me get it. Everything was set up within 3 to 4 days, because it took me a while. I had to understand how to set it up, watch the videos over and over, because the guy explained everything in detail, so that you couldn't not be able to put this together. It was that simple. Again, it's just copy and paste codes and links. It gets literally set up with your customized funnel. If you don't join something or you don't do a program inside the funnel, it kind of exit that program out. You won't make any extra money with it, but again, it's not going to throw you off and put you in la la land. You'll just get a link that's customized to your funnel. And then the traffic, the case studies are in this also to help you make money and get you generate an income from lists of people who want to make money with you by the keywords, all that good stuff inside here. And you're going to be renting other people's lists, not creating your own or building your own list. Your list will be built from the lists of other people that have been offering your link to those lists that the traffic providers already have. So you make quick money from a list of people that have already been doing this for a while, these traffic providers, and that helps you systemize your system, so you always got something going on without you actually talking, doing any of the presentations, doing any of the selling. You don't have to do any of that with this system. That's why I was so excited about this since Funnel X Project was in. Now I couldn't believe how quick that money rolled in, and now I'm here to share this with you about Funnel X ROI. And included that is Funnel X Advanced, which you don't have to run around. It's all built into the system, a lead generator, if you will, where you can get huge incentive, 50% commissions, just sending people to your funnel. So I'm excited about it. Now what I want to do, not to confuse you, I did leave the Funnel X login details below so you can get access to the system. Just log in there. I'm going to sort of demonstrate on this computer right here how I started into Funnel X ROI and the setup. I'll go step by step so you guys can see what's going on. So I'm just going to minimize this right now. I'm going to go in here Now I'm already doing Funnel X ROI, so what I want to do is I got to pretend I'm a new person. So I'm just going to click in what this looks like so you can see kind of step by step what you're going to be getting involved in with this system. Okay, so what you see here right now is Funnel X ROI. Discover how to make autopilot 100% commissions all day the lazy way. This funnel does contain all the squeeze pages you need. So would you like to personally help you step by step? Yes. And make your first commission? Of course. Boom. Would you like to personally help you step by step into your first commission? Do you have 10 to 15 minutes right now to set up your system so you can start earning today? We'll just put yes. Put your primary email. Actually, I'll put seeing I already use this email, I better use a different one just in case. Okay, so click enter. Okay, here's the first video. Activate your Funnel X ROI system here. Click on here.
On this exact video, I'll be sharing with you my exact $300 per day system. This is a system that you can start.
Okay, just so you know, this is the video, the first one. He goes over how to get started, step by step. He goes in here, you just put your name. Yes, let me in, I want this. Oh, better put my last name in there. You see, you just put your name, your first, your last name, your email. Yes, I want this. Please wait. Earn big commissions fast from total strangers. Now I gotta tell you, this system is so simple, so ready to go. Trust me on this. I'll even help you. I have Skype. It's Money Mike to Look Alive. I'll leave that in my comments below. I'll even help you do this thing so you can start making money super fast. Again, once you set this up, it's pretty much done on autopilot. So let's just click on the video.
Yes, you've made it to the next step. Excellent job so far. Now, this video is extremely important, so please make sure to pay very close attention because I'm going to be showing you how to earn even up to $1,000 high-ticket commissions over and over and over again, completely passively, without you having to create a single product and without you even having to personally talk to or convince anyone yourself. I'm also going to be showing you how you can have this set up in 5 minutes or less, even if this is your first day online. I'm also going to be showing you how you can tap into the most advanced system out there, marketing system, to make you multiple streams of income without you ever having to lift a finger, even while you sleep. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can get personal coaching and mentoring from me So you're always progressing in your business, generating leads, making sales, and earning commissions. So
okay, so I just want to give you guys an overview of this particular part. Step 1, you sign up for an account, click sign up here. Step 2, the confirmation box. After you follow the steps, you say, did you sign up Easy One Up? Yes, I did. I have an account. No, I did not. So a lot of people already might be in something called Easy One Up, and if they didn't do whatever the video suggested, then you just click on what here and you just go to the continue. And then what you do is you just skip down. No thanks, don't want to make hand over fist commissions all day long, not recommended. If you do, click continue and go to the next one. So which plan did you select? Then you just go down here. They have 2500, 250, whichever one you want. I particularly chose this one, the vertex, so that, and I actually did elevation light, and because anything here, whatever you choose here, you make all commissions here. So obviously whatever you can come in at or whatever you can afford, do that one. But say you did the 500, then this, you would make all commissions on up to this part. If you did the 1000, you'd make commission this, and this would all be opened up for you to make commissions on all of these up to this point. If you did 1000, you would make this commission, this, whatever they came in at these commissions would be in your pocket as well, up to the $1,000 Vertex Pro. So, like I say, whatever you can afford, because as soon as you bring traffic to it, you wouldn't want to be at 250 if someone gets 500, etc., etc. You know, so, and then let me just take this. Okay, and then what you want to do, now you just saw Michael and David just come in over here. That's the autoresponder already kicking in to my email right away about this system. So it's going to go through in depth how to make money with this, how to get started, how you don't have to do all these programs to start making your money, and etc., etc. So you just, which plan did you select? We'll say, boom. Did you make a payment for the plan you selected? Yes, I did. Enter the email you signed up, and then you just go forward. So again, these steps are very, very basic. I really can't go through the whole thing because I don't want to be set up in another account that I'll be, you know, it's not formulated.
how you can completely differentiate yourself to have leads attracted to you so you can rise above your competition and dominate leaderboards even if you're completely new. And lastly, you'll also find out how you can become a commission magnet, so to speak, bringing in daily sales and daily results over and over and over again effortlessly. So I'm going to let you in on a little secret. This is something that you probably were never told before. Otherwise, you'd be absolutely, literally crushing it online right now, and you wouldn't be sitting here watching this video. You'd be already making the kind of money you want to make. So here's the secret. Here's the magic. This is what they're not telling you out there. And seriously, you better write this down. It's very important. So in order to earn big, and I'm talking big commissions, the ones that stack up nice and high every single month, you have to have multiple offers. Write that down. You have to have multiple offers, because having multiple offers means that you get paid multiple times.
Okay guys, I just wanted, that's Funnel X ROI. Again, as you go through the funnel, it'll bring you to Funnel X Advanced, and I promise you this, you literally sign up in this thing, you set your stuff up. If you need help I'll be available. Just log in down below. You'll see the login details. Also, I'm going to leave my Skype, my email, even my phone number. But I do suggest text me about Funnel X ROI, we can do an appointment with Skype and then go over the screen, share screens back and forth so you can get started making money with this.
Think about it.
So,
all or probably most of the programs that you've been through so far.
Okay, so how do you feel about this? If you want to make a comment below, a Funnel X system where you don't have to do any of the selling, any of the recruiting, none of that. Just copy and paste a few links. Yes, do the confirmation box. I've completed this. Go to the next step. If you want to skip it, remember where it said no thanks, continue to the next one? Just say no thanks, click continue. And again, these links will be customized for you for the programs that you did say yes. But I will say this, don't leave money on the table. If you want to do this, do it. In other words, get yourself an income generator that makes you money from a professional system so you don't have to sell, recruit, talk to anybody. And the autoresponders, all those messages like the one I just received that like popped up in the corner there with the email of Michael and David, that's because your email will be set up in such a way that David is your friend helping you in the system to help you a list of people make money. So when they start making money, you get the commissions and roll it out that way. So I'm so excited to have you guys here. I want you to get involved. Go ahead and log in the details. Get your system set up. Follow the training videos. Each video comes with each step, and it's done in painstaking detail so you can't make a mistake. Just go through the video. If you don't get it, do what I did. Go through the video, repeat it, and follow the steps again. Sometimes the simplest thing that you miss was right in front of you. So take a break. Don't overwork yourself. Go back, take a break, get something to eat or drink, come back to the video. It'll still be there. Nothing's going to change. It's you. You're in control of this. It's your funnel. It's when you want to get it started, it'll work. When you don't want to get it started, it'll be there waiting for you. So this is Money Mike. I'm going to close this video out, and I hope to see you guys. I love talking to people and helping them get their systems set up so they can start getting commissions on an ongoing basis. So again, I did leave my Funnel X login details below so you can get started. I'll leave all my, contact information, and subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated with these types of videos so I can keep me and you up there. Also, if you get 100 subscribers in your YouTube channel, you can start adding thumbnails, tags, titles, descriptions to get ranked up higher in videos like this to help you get more and more free traffic. I'll be getting into more detail as I go along in this channel, so definitely subscribe and get updated so you get all the content, valuable content from me and you. If you want to add comments, or you have ideas, or you know some methods that you use to get high rankings on YouTube, leave a comment below. If you like this video, if you want to get started, leave a comment below, and I'll try to help you as best as I can, as quickly as I can. So I'll talk to you guys later.